Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the templates that can be used when you are using Wix.com for free. To begin, let's go to the Wix website. Okay, so let's know the templates that is available if you're going to create your new website. Okay, so let's click create new site here. Okay, so there are questions here that you will be answering before you choose or you begin creating your website. Okay, for example, this one, what kind of website are you creating? Okay, so just choose from any of there. Okay, so you can also skip this part, just clicking here, skip, it says skip. Okay, let's skip it. And also another question, what would you like to call your business? So this is basically your website name right here. Okay. So we are also able to skip this part. Okay, so I just skipped it. So let us just wait for it to turn to the next page. Okay, so what do you want to add to your website? Okay, so you can add chat, online store, bookings, events, forms, pricing plans, and other stuff here. Okay, you just have to click the little box at the top left corner of each box. Okay, let's skip this. Okay, let's try clicking bookings, events. Okay, let's click next. Okay. Mm-hmm. So you will be. Oh, okay. No, you will choose if you are going to begin with a template or get a custom built website. So our goal here is to know if Wix.com uh, allows you to choose or to use a template that you think is suitable or right for your website. Okay, so let's begin with a template. Okay, and there you go. So there are lots of templates here that you can choose. Okay, to begin your um, website. So take note that all of its contents are highly customizable. Okay, so let's turn to the very last page of this template. Okay, so okay, there you go. It says here t-shirt store, photographer, personal blog. Okay, so let's say you are going to create a t-shirt store. You can view it or either edit it directly. Okay, so it will take you some time to wait, but it will surely respond, and I think it's worth the wait because it's free. Okay, so as you can see, guys, they offer um, lots of templates, lots of highly customizable templates here. Okay, 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 and here's the template now. Okay, so you can edit every part of this template. For example, like this, you can change the photo, the text, the pricing. If you're creating an or yeah, an online shop like that. Okay, all of them are customizable, so you can edit it, including this one. Okay, so that is one of the templates that Wix.com can give you. Okay, so if this video answered your question, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.